Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 69 Mustang Mach 1. This comes from Tom in Houston, Texas. Tom has requested the modern FM conversion with Bluetooth, so let's make sure everything works before we send her back. Got it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 station presets set to FM stations in my area, so we can get through this pretty quick. So let's turn it on. Okay, go through the presets real quick.
He's never heard of this before.
Okay, that one drifted a bit. Just reset it. Okay, there's the last one. Okay, let's go to AM real quick. We're going to turn it off. To go to AM, between AM and FM on this model, we turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. And we get one strong AM station in my area, right about
Leaf Factor is one of the most remarkable products I've ever advertised.
So there's our AM station. So while we've got it on that, let's test our balance and fader functions.
They're not drugs.
Alrighty.
They're little miracles.
Original balance control all the way left, all the way right,
joint
left,
and or muscle
right.
pain.
Okay,
Try it for 3 weeks
speakers.
for $19.95. Why 3 weeks?
Okay, now we're going to adjust the virtual front rear fader.
If it works, and if it doesn't, cancel your order. Try it for
make sure that works.
$19.95. ReliefFactor.com.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now this controls adjusting your front rear speaker balance.
Want to become the victim of home title fraud. Reason 1. When a cyber criminal
you see that tone controls adjusting your front rear speaker balance. So let's go ahead and center that and let it time out.
Then he'll vanish.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode
You could be a victim
to indicate that that's working properly.
Know it for months. No agency notifies you.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you can see the Bluetooth is ready to pair now, so we can move on to the 8-track section.
Nobody knows about this.
Okay, we don't need these meters anymore. Okay, 8-track section.
I urge you to go to home.
All I do is smile whenever I'm around you. It's such a wonderful world.
Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so we'll wait for that. There it is. Alrighty, pull the tape out, and the radio comes back immediately. Okay, so we're good there. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. And you can't see it, but I can. Yep, you can just see it flashing on and off in response to my command there, so we're good to go. And I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me through my website, barrys8trackrepair.com. It's in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the website's for. The less time I spend on the phone, the more time I can put into your unit and the quality of my workmanship. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Tom, for your business all the way from Houston, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.